What is up, YouTube? What is up, YouTube, and what is up, TikTok? Let's have a look what's going on over here on gold. Let's see what's happening here on gold. What is up, Raymond? What is up? So gold's doing its goldy thing. It's going crazy, and I was able to catch a bit of this today during the Asia push. But I'm going to start how I would always start and do a bit of top-down analysis and see what we can see. So I'm going to start with the daily and work my way down. So, sorry, one sec. Over here. The daily, like, what are you going to say? It's obviously just doing its thing. It's going crazy, pushing up. Like, look at yesterday's daily candle. It is literally just a block. Like, there's minimal wick. There's just so much volume right now. So we're pushing up since then. The 4 hour, what are you going to say? It's just push, push, push. Babe Shop. Hi. So what now? Sell or buy? Just doing a bit of analysis here. We'll see what can happen. What up, Big Dog TV? What's up, Dan? Wondering if you caught any of that move. Yeah, I caught a pretty solid move here. I got a $450. Somewhere over here. I'll show you in a sec. 4 hour, there's nothing to say other than it's pushing up, of course. The 1 hour, like we had a bit of 1 hour support here, but it just pushed off there. So that the previous 1 hour candle is closed very bullish. So what's the 30-minute showing? A smaller wick than the one previous. Sorry, smaller body. And we've got some sort of resistance here now because we've got a red candle printed. So these are my levels right here. This is my support and resistance levels, which I'm going to be waiting to see something happen around. What's this range? This is a 50 pip range. This is a 50 pip range here. So ideally, I'm looking for a breakout of either of these zones. But I'm not opposed to catching a move back down to this other zone if I see something over here in a minute. Let me pull up Zoom and show you what I'll be looking for, potentially. Let me show you what I'm potentially looking for. Zoom. So what's happened? Did anyone catch any of these moves here in the Asia sesh? It's just kind of giving money away to us at this moment, like during Asia. It's just moving up. What is up, Muzz? What is up? Over here on gold. See what gold's going to present us. What opportunities we can get out of this market here today. Let's have a look. So, I'm going to draw up what I might be looking for here. If this candle here can flip and close like that, I'll be interested in a sell. If I get another wick, I'll be interested in a sell around there, anticipating it to head back down and hit this range here before a continuation back up. That's something that I'm thinking right now for potential, but let's see how this 15 over here closes. Where's your theme music? Oh, you can't hear the music on YouTube? Can you not hear the music? Oh, okay, there it is. I just noticed. Wow, sorry. Thanks for letting me know that there, Big Dog. Yeah, so that's why I'll be looking for sells, but I really want a breakout here. I would love for this candle here just to flip up here, which I feel like is more likely. Close above, and I'll take a buy and just let's continue the fucking ride up to the moon, really. Can't hear it. Can you hear it now, Guava? When are we getting some music? Bro, I was trying to figure it out before jumping on the stream, and I got close to figuring it out, but I think by next stream I would have figured it out. It's just because I'm streaming on YouTube as well, so it's difficult to get them to time them both. Yep, as in you can hear it now, or you still can't hear it? Oh, you got it now. All right, sick. Babe Shop, I see. I am waiting for London session. 25 minutes left. London session is open 6 minutes ago. Babe Shop. London session started 6 minutes ago. So let's see if we can get a little breakout here and a closure above this range. I'll be looking to act quick and potentially take a buy. To be brutally honest, because if you look at this, the previous 4 hour, the bodies are getting bigger on these 1 hour candles. There's a lot of volume in the market, and there's a lot of dumb traders right now that are going, oh, I'm going to sell now. Can hear all good, Dan. Oh, awesome. Thank you. Thanks for giving me the heads up. There's a lot of people that just will sell now just because they're like, oh, it's moved so much. I'm going to sell because there's no way it can keep moving. And that's you just trying to predict, not react. So I just want to react to what it's given me. And right now, what I can see is just fucking a lot of volume pushing up. SGGOL, it's going up to the moon. Yeah, bro, I feel like the moon is the target as well. To be honest. Yeah, I think I got in here today. Was it here? I seen there was this minor support here, resistance, sorry. This candle here broke above. This one had a little wick, but I was confident in the volume. I just had a buy stop there and it pushed up. 400, 450, 450. So what do we got? We've got 6 minutes here for this candle over here. The previous 30 left a smaller body with a big wick. The 1 hour closed strong, bullish. Joloff, I think if Kamala wins, gold will sell. If Kamala wins, the world's doomed, let's be honest. Not to get too political over here. What's this range here right now to that level? Yeah, so no matter what, regardless, I'm waiting for this 15 to close before I make any decisions over here. Hey, so are you shorting gold or staying long, especially because there's news? When's news? Fuck, I didn't even check that. I don't think news is for ages. Yeah, we haven't got any news for like 7 hours, brother. So, I'm looking to wait for this 15-minute candle to close to give me confirmation of some sort of direction. Yeah, 7 hours away, yeah. If this candle essentially closes exactly how it does here, the next one wicks up, I'll take a sell to this bottom of this range. So I need to wait 5 minutes to see how this closes. I don't really want to take a sell, but if I see the signal, I will. Contrary to popular belief, selling from all-time highs. Trader of Life, hello Daniel. What is up? What is up? Follow. Thank you for the follow. I'll be here every day streaming here on gold. I would have, in a lot of situations, taken a little sell here. I would have put a sell stop right there. The only reason I didn't is because, see this green candle here? It's smaller. The one that printed after is actually bigger. If these two were reversed and this candle printed smaller than this candle, that would indicate to me that we might have a bit of volume losing here. Okay, these candles are getting smaller. What happened with the next one? Oh, it wicked up and then closed bearish. Nice. We could be seeing some sort of reversal here. Let's see if it can try and go up one more time. Oh, it went up, but it flipped back down. We're getting a lot of selling pressure here. The only reason I didn't know is because this one is bigger than the previous. Like I said, if they were switched around, I would have entered right there on a sell. But there was, I know within my rules and my back testing that that's a crucial part of this entry. That's a crucial part. So that's why I'm waiting for a little bit more extra confirmation. So I won't put any, I won't write anything on this support or resistance in terms of sell or buy. I'll have to wait to see how this candle closes. I like what I'm seeing. I like what I'm seeing to a degree. Two and a half minutes here. Now, before this potential sell becomes valid for me, the next one needs to open up and just wick one more time. Wick up one more time. Show me one more time that you don't want to be there. And then flip, and I'll put my sell stop around there. But I need that wick. That wick is crucial. Hey, bro, in a trade with Dogecoin right now, what do you think? Ooh, Dogecoin, brother, to be brutally honest, I don't follow that at all. I don't follow that at all. I follow a bit of Bitcoin. I know Bitcoin's doing some juicy shit. Bit consolidating for the day. It's creating some sort of flag or pennant, whatever you want to call it. Like a very clean one, actually. I've been talking about pennants a fair bit on this stream lately. I don't know why. Let's see if in the next like half an hour, if this breaks out one way or the other. I'll leave this, I'll leave that there like that. I know it seems bad, but I'm up 7% in 24 hours. 7% on your account. Wow, you must have gone in pretty heavy. That's good, man. Seems like a bullish flag. Yeah. It does. You would think that because it came from the upside, right? Like the general consensus would be like, if we're moving up in an uptrend and then we kind of consolidate and form some sort of flag, that the breakout will be back to the upside, which I think so as well. But there's almost no strong confirmation on whether that's going to happen or not. That's the issue with these types of setups. It's like, it's almost a bit of a gamble, where when you get things like breakout trades and that, at least there's like, you know, there's a bit more confirmation that makes sense as to which way it might go. All right, I've got to use my brain over here now. So the issue with what's happened right now with this for potential sells is that this candle body closed smaller than the prior one. This candle body closed smaller than the prior one. The prior one left a decent wick. The 30-minute left a small body with a big wick. The 1 hour still looks bullish. The prior 1 hour looks bullish still. Two and a half hours for the 4 hour to close. I'm going to wait because what we could see here is just a little bit of a build up for this to happen. Doesn't it seem like it would make sense that this would happen next? Right? Smaller body, it's kind of just done a little bit of a build up and now it's ready to break out. Or maybe it's like, you know, it might fuck around like this first and then the next one break out. So this potential trade idea I was looking at, there was too many things that are making it invalid now. So I'm gonna be a disciplined trader and stick to my rules, and my rules say if there's things that are breaking the checklist for what you look for in an entry, then stay out, because I know if I stay out and wait, the right setup will arise. Because you know what will happen if I take a trade and I go, man, all right, it's not the best trade, but I'll take it because it's ticking enough of the boxes. When it does inevitably lose, what do you do after? You go, man, I shouldn't have taken that trade because those things that didn't tick the box were a good signal not to take it. So I would much rather the pain of missing out on a trade but sticking to my rules than losing a trade. So right now, I'll put something here. Buys above. Buys above. Closure. That's where I'm at. I think that's a good idea. Ooh. I think that's going to be a real good idea. What do you guys think? Thanks for the follows too, TikTok. You guys are freaking awesome. Bro, we got 20,000 likes yesterday. I just had a bunch of people must have just been like spamming it. Incredible stuff. So like I said, I pulled the plug on this potential sell here because there was too many things that made it a little bit invalid for me. If it drops now, yes, I'm going to be like, that kind of sucks. But at the same time, I'm building the mental discipline to stick to my rules regardless of what it does after I stick to my rules. Because that's going to pay dividends in the long run, I think. Kenyo took a sell. Oh, good shit, brother. Let's see if you get some profits here, and I'll wave the sell goodbye. Young Gaz, sell. I'd be curious to know what you guys are looking at for the indication of sells. I understand on the 30 you've seen a big wick prior. You've had 2 red 15 candles print, but there's just a couple things that just don't tick enough boxes for me, and I'm sure it can leave. I'm sure it can, but yeah. What do you think about the 15-minute order block? I don't think anything. I don't don't participate in order blocks and things like that, bro. No confirmation to sell. Yeah, I'm with you, bro. Because here's something. Think about some people's psychology right now. They go, oh, we're at an all-time high. There was a big wick that just got pushed. That's a big rejection wick. And look at this. There's two 15-minute candles that just printed. But on the higher time frames, the 1 hour is extremely bullish candle. It engulfed, like it's much bigger than the prior candle. The 4 hours pushing up, bigger than the prior candle. The daily, everything's still pushing up, right? Some people might take sells and you're like, yeah, look, I caught a decent trade. There's just not enough confirmation for me yet. So I'm going to be patient and wait for a setup that's got a much stronger confirmation. It tested the 15-minute order block on Asia opening and I got in at 2773. Oh, good stuff, brother. 277. Thoughts on trading CPI? My thoughts on trading CPI are that it's essentially a gamble, right? Because it's just going to shoot one direction or the other. I think if you wait a little bit, wait for the dust to settle and capitalize on some of the volume afterwards, that's pretty good. Shane A, when you do when you do enter a trade, what is your average time in a trade, both win and loss? Pretty short, bro, to be honest. I think man, it can be anywhere from like 2 minutes to 15. It's pretty short, but sometimes it can be up like, 45 minutes if it's kind of dancing around, but I like to be in and out quick. I don't like to be in a trade for too long, right? Because my entry model is really, I enter when I'm anticipating volume is about to push the trade in my direction. That's why I'm able to cut losses quicker as well, because if I know that I entered a trade anticipating a lot of volume to push it in a direction, but it's not doing that, and it's kind of coming back to my entry point and below, alarms start to go off because I'm like, oh, this isn't how this trade should be going, and I get to cut some of my potential losses, which saves me money. Want to get into trading? What you think about TJR? I don't know anything about him. I see he's got a pretty big following. He's like a young guy who got big in crypto, I believe. But yeah, I don't know enough. If you want to get into trading, I believe it's best to kind of stay in your own lane. Just kind of focus on just improving your skill set. I am 50% down on my account. Ooh. That's all right. Just keep... Bro, so this idea, I'm 50% down on my account, you just said, right? It's always going to come back to, are you 50% down on your account because you keep gambling? That's most likely the answer, right? I think 90% of traders, we lose money when we don't stick to our rules. You need a clear outline of what your rules are that need to be ticked in order for you to take a trade. Oh, you traded without a stop loss. Yeah, that's going to hurt. That's going to hurt. 1,000 euros minus. Oh. No Name 91 is down 1,000 euros. That's all right. Same thing, bro. Just keep analyzing. Keep journaling. Jump straight over to your journal. Boom. This is my journal. Jump straight in. Journal. Figure out what you did wrong and look to improve the next day. Yeah, a couple of people are down. Me, 700 under. A lot of people might have been looking for sells today a bit too eagerly and got stopped out. Should I hold the sell? I wouldn't tell you what to do, but if it's come down this far, I would probably anticipate it to at least come down to this zone. But just I don't know what your strategy is. Stick to your rules. Laser, what is up, my dude? For journal, what do you use? I use a program or a website or an app, I don't know what it's considered, called Notion. I actually purchased somebody's template and then just adjusted it to become like my own. So again, like I was saying before, if this drops, there's going to be a part of me that's like, man, that's like kind of what I was waiting for. But at the same time, it's building a level of mental discipline that sticks to their rules. And there was some things that made that trade invalid, but trading will do what it wants to do. You can never predict what it's going to do. You can just kind of try to stack the odds in your favor. And that's what I did there. And yeah, it moved in that direction, but the trade wasn't valid to me. FOMO, yeah. Oh, No Name 91 cent a rose. Thank you, No Name. You're a G. You are a G. Guys, can you believe the last 2 streams, or I think I've done 2 streams here on TikTok, I've made a total of $1. I am retiring my entire family. Shit is getting real. All right, what do we got? Is this 30 about to close? Yeah, the 30 closed in 3 minutes. Will gold continue selling? Brother, you share a lot of knowledge. Thanks for... Oh, appreciate that, man, for sure. So likes make money? No, I think like people like donate these things. I don't know. I'm new to it as well, so I'm not sure. All right, so we've got 3 candles over here. So we might get some sort of... I don't know. Let's just see what happens. So my next zone is obviously down here, so I'll be looking for sells below here. Closure. But alternatively, I'll also be open to, this coming down here, showing me what I want, and then continuing up, and I could look for a buy back up, right? I'll essentially be looking for something similar to this, but down here, but cleaner than this. I need something cleaner for a stronger confirmation, that's all. That is all. Missed the breakout, then got stopped out. Caught a bit of the reversal. 30 pips, bro. 30 pips is insane. Verified gangster. What is up? What is up? Oh, No Name's dropping a heart in the chat. Thanks, No Name. You're a G. I don't know what a heart means, but it's a gift of some sort. Thank you, man. Eagle. To wear for short. Oh, sorry, you can't see it on the screen here. I don't know what you're doing, but I'll show you what I'm looking for. Of some sort. But I have a few options, so I'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Back at it again, bro. Let's all have an awesome day on the markets. 100% Ali. Let's have a fucking good day here. And see if we can get something happening. It has been a bit of a rough week for London, I'll be honest. And some of the traders that I follow, that I kind of look up to, and we trade in a similar way, not many people have been able to catch many moves in London this week. It's been the Asia where we've got a lot of that clean volume. So patience is going to be the key here. Especially if you're a London trader and you've seen all the moves in Asia and you've got a bit like, man, I miss those Asian moves. I want to get a piece of the pie. I haven't caught anything this week. Did I take the buy last night? No, I didn't take any positions yesterday. Yeah, the breakout ended up too late for my time. It happened in the New York session, I believe. But I was already up 850 for the day. I took a buy in Asia session. I took a buy in Asia session today as well. I caught a nice breakout trade around here somewhere. Waiting for this 30-minute to close, potential sells. The only reason why I would never take a sell... So think about it like this, you guys. If anyone's like thinking, oh, look, we've moved down, I want to look for sells here. You've got to ask yourself this. This is the closest resistance zone and this is the closest support zone, right? If I take a sell here, where am I going to put my stop loss? Up here? 40 pips away? All for it to just come down like another 15 pips and probably bounce off this. So right now is a no trade zone. I would never enter a trade in the middle of a range. You don't do that. You take a trade around levels of support and resistance because that's where you can preserve your stop loss. You can put your stop loss in a safer place. Raymond, best to wait it out. Yes, best to wait it out, 100%. You'll find guys, follow some of the best traders. They're the best at just waiting. They'll just wait until they see their exact setup and that's it. What is amateur? Think about when you first started trading. What are the amateur traits you did? You seen some movement, you felt something inside of you, you didn't want to miss out, so you just entered. It never works out, man. So let's try and exercise professionalism and just wait. Wait for the right signal and time to strike. Like a tiger. Oh shit. Let's see if Bitcoin's broke out of this little pennant here. Oh, it's really respecting it, isn't it? I think it might come down to 277. Yeah, it looks like it's going to at least come down to this support zone here. TikTok, if you're in the chat, drop a follow, my dudes. I'll be live streaming London session every day. Drop a follow, my dudes. My dudes, assuming there's no females. Understood, you're catching the momentum, Shane. Yes. Yep. Yeah, that's a simple way to put it. So we've got to remember, so we're getting something happening here. We're in this range right now. You've always got to think like, we're in London session. What is London? It's a high volume time. So don't worry about being impatient. Let's just wait because we know it's a high volume time. So when it does break out and when the opportunity does present itself, we know it's going to be followed by volume because, like I said, London's a high volume time. So patience will literally pay. Patience is literally going to pay. Yeah, this is gold. I wonder if I can put... Yeah, I'll figure out how to put some sort of text on the screen as well. I know it's probably annoying, you can't tell it's gold. I sell from 2786, 2786, 278. Oh, I'm assuming that's Forex. Well, as long as you're in profits, man, that's awesome. Or if you're not, let's see, look at this. Let's see if, so here's the thing with these pennants, you guys. If anyone trades these type of pennants, right now, see how it's breaking out? This means nothing. You need at least a 30-minute or a 15-minute to break out. And even then, it doesn't mean too much until it closes out. If one closes out like that, but what happens after that a lot of the time is this. It just wicks up, retests that area, and it might continue up. You don't know. Like, so they're dangerous, man. They're dangerous, but they're a lot of fun if you want to have a bit of a gamble. TikTok, man, the TikTok viewers are going up. Drop a follow, TikTok. I'll be streaming every day here. Yep, took a sell from around 2787 and caught 30 pips. Yeah, that's wild. That's good shit, man. Very good. All right, so we've got 8 minutes over here for the third. No, just for the 15 to close. We're just in this range right now. There's no clearer. Nothing super clear just yet, but patience will pay. Patience will pay. Oh, 100 viewers on TikTok. We made it. We made it, Ma. Which market is this? So I'm on futures on a 100K combine account with Topstep, and this is gold. You got funded. No, this is a challenge. I'm still in the challenge phase on this 100K account over here. I tried trading gold with TradingView, but it won't let me. So you have to be associated Raja banks, Raja strategy. Yeah, this breakout strategy, Raja was the first person I came across that did this and influenced me with this particular setup. So it's very similar to what Raja will be teaching. TradingView is generally only a platform to view the markets. You have to be associated with some sort of broker that allows you to trade on TradingView through their brokerage. Yes, this is just consolidation. Yep. So I was saying before in the chat, like I'll draw up something right now what I'll be looking for if I want to take a buy in it over here at some point. Let's say this one does end up coming down like this and closing. The next one comes down, creates a small body, but a relatively steep wick, right? That wick would indicate some sort of rejection, like, yeah, like it tried to, it doesn't really want to go down, but I'd need more confirmation than that. So I would need the next candle to close bullish, small body, with a decent-ish wick again, and then the next one to flip, and I'll take a buy right there all day, full margin, whole account blown. No, whole account, but that's essentially what I would be looking for if I wanted to anticipate a buy back up to this range and beyond. And then if we broke out up here, I would add to my position. So there's some opportunity over here. Let's just wait it out and see what happens. Huge news day today. Yeah, it's not for another 7 hours, bro. What's your broker? I don't know. I'm using Topstep X. It's what the funding people give me. TikTok, drop a follow. I'll be dropping a live streaming every day on this channel. If you don't follow me, you're going to miss it, and then the world's going to end. So drop a follow. And I'm also, there's a link in my bio to my Discord. I'll be giving away some free prop firm accounts. I linked with a funding company called Funded Next. These guys, I actually took a trade on that account today as well. You can see over here. So check this out. I caught 50 pips today on this account. I hope you guys can see that. Ready? This is a wild trade. So check this out. I can show you right here. This is a trade I took today. So I entered there. It moved up 50 pips. I entered 2 more positions right there. One, it came down, I took it out. I took it at a small loss. The other one went up and took it at profit as well. Wild trade over there I took today. Wild trade there. I'm in a cell. What should be my TP? Brother, you should know that before you take the entry, but if I was you, it would be around this range right here. TikTok gone wild with the views. What time frame is this? This is a 15-minute. So I'll always be on the 15 or the 30-minute. TikTok, fucking hell. I can't believe TikTok, man. What duration of time are you... Oh. And this is gold. This is gold. I'll figure out how to put text here soon. Maybe I can just put it here. Fucking... People keep asking. Can I? I don't know if I can, actually. I think I can if I do something like this. Gold. Elox. Bottom. Let's change the color to a gold color. Wow, I'm a genius. Look at this. This is perfect. And then let me see if I can move this behind here. Yeah, that's good. Oh, someone, Sen Buster, said, mark my words at a level there. All right, so we're approaching that support level down here now. Let's see what we can do. Put non-financial advice as well. Yeah. Oh, fuck. I won't put it there, but I'll see what happens. I'll see if we get banned or not. Someone in the chat here said it's not going to reverse. Yeah, we don't know. Let's just see what happens, eh? So we've got a couple of levels here that it might have a bit of issues getting through. If not, we've got options. We have options. TikTok, if you're in the chat, drop a follow, drop a follow. I'll be streaming here every London session every day. And if you don't follow me, you're going to miss the stream, bro. Then what are you going to do with yourself? These are the questions you need to ask yourself. What app or website is this? This is called Topstep X. I'm trading on a 100K combined challenge account with Topstep. Will XRP reach 1,000? I don't know anything other than gold. Logan Village Skate Park represent. What up, Joel? So much representing over there. Filthy Industries, thanks. How close are you to getting funded? Not that close. I'm up 1%. I've got to get 6%. So I'll do it all on the stream. I've been up 1% for a few days now. I think I took an L on like Thursday or something, and it kind of set me back a little bit. The Discord link is not working. Nah, it's definitely working. It has to be working. It might say request to join and then I accept it. It's impossible. How it works, funding account. It's good you asked that because in my Discord, I'm going to be giving away a few funded accounts. Essentially what it is these companies allow you to trade with their capital, right? From $5K to $200,000. You know what I mean? So the issue a lot of traders have is like, oh man, I don't have enough capital to trade, to take these big trades and make these big profits, where these companies say, hey, we have the money for you to trade with. It's just going to cost you a fee to use it. But not only is it going to cost you a fee, you have to do something called a challenge, meaning you have to prove to us that you can trade and you have to hit 6% profits twice. Once you do that, here's the money, go trade. It's not really the money, it's simulated money, and the profits you make on it, they'll give you. But with that being said, it's difficult to pass these challenges, right? You have to be a consistent trader. All right, so we've had some sort of break below this level here. I'll tell you what I'm looking for in a second. I'll tell you what I'm looking for in a second. Hi, is gold react a bit and then go up again? We'll have to see. Let's see what happens over here. Hey bro, I bought 10 200Ks to pass. Holy shit. Money bags over here. Gold Pro Trader brought 10 200K challenge accounts. Nice. Be careful if you're using a copy trader. Alright, I'm going to draw up something here to show you guys what I might be looking for if this wants to continue down over here. If this can essentially close like that, the next one wick up and continue down, I'll take a sell there. An impulse, I'll take an impulse position. But let's just see how this one forms right here. Oh, thank you for the hearts and the gifts and stuff in the chat there. You guys are cheese. Nikki, what time frame is that? So this is a 15-minute time frame. I'll be always on the 15 or the 30. Okay, so if you pass the challenges, will you be able to get money from it? Yes, if you pass the challenges, whatever profits you make from that account, you get 85% and the company get 15. But believe, okay, do you guys want to hear a statistic? So it seems pretty cool, right? Oh, cool. I'll just pass a challenge, I'll get the funding, and then I can make profits on that account. Have a guess. Someone put this in the chat. Have a guess what the percentage of people that get to the first payout is. Someone just put like a number in the chat. Try to guess. Adam over here said 5%. Someone said 15%. Yep, Jay got it right. It's 2%. 2 fucking percent. Yep, look at all the spamming, all the numbers in the chat. Bro, 2%. What the fuck? Right? So it's very difficult. And there's a lot of psychological components to it that make it so difficult as well. Is it so high? No, 2% of the world gets the first payout. It's so low. It's extremely low. So you have to be a pretty fucking consistently profitable trader in order to consistently make money out of these prop firm accounts. So that's why I say, if you're going to start trading with prop, start with the lowest account, bro. Kale, what is up, bro? Start with the lowest account. Just get a 5K account. Just prove to yourself that you have the ability to pass a challenge. Don't go straight to a 200K account. People get blinded by the potential of, oh man, I'm going to make a bunch of money. I know, but I thought it was even lower. It might even be lower than 2%. And I don't want that to be discouraging to people, because I'm telling you, a lot of the people that are doing that and failing these challenges are people that are just greedy. They just want money. They think, I'll just buy this challenge and I'll make all this money. No, bro, this is a profession. Treat it like one. Someone's catching sells here on GU. Let's see if Bitcoin broke out here. Oh, Bitcoin broke out of this pennant over here. Bitcoin broke out of this pennant over here. Now it's dropping. Anyway. Bro, 250 streamers. TikTok, you gotta drop me a follow, man. If you want to jump on this stream with me every day, we'll stream the London session every day. If you don't follow me, you're not going to be able to see the stream, bro. What the hell? Someone over here said, I started with 180 euro. Now I have 300. Nice, bro. Good shit. I'm doing with 0.01 lots. Yeah, man. Just start low. Start low. Over 60% of traders don't use stop loss. Are you fucking serious? Guys, if you're in the chat right now and you don't use a stop loss, look in the mirror and just, like, figure it out, bro, because you need to be using stop losses. Don't be a part. Here's the thing, guys. 90% of traders fail. Don't be a part of the statistic by doing dumb shit. You need a stop loss. Bro, I'm in a Bitcoin buy. I think this is temporary. I would love to be in a Bitcoin buy as well, to be brutally honest. I don't think this pennant breakout is going to be a dictator of what's going to happen, in the grand scheme. It's just a little move. Someone over here said if there's no stop loss, then it can't be hit. I guess, yeah, that kind of logic is true. You can't lose if there's no fucking stop loss, eh? Yeah, fuck it. Scrap the stop loss. I learned to use a stop loss before I learned pending orders even. Yeah, like that should be like the very first thing you learn, guys. What's your bias on gold? Right now, it's kind of thrown a bit of a curveball. I'm going to need to wait to see how this... Guys, so this is the 15, the 30, and the 1 hour is closing in 8 minutes. Let's see if we get some sort of signal over here of what might happen. Someone said they're looking for buyers on gold right now. I respect that. Me personally, I don't have any indication just yet of such thesis. Thanks. Been holding Bitcoin for days. Oh, fuck. Don't trust my word. Oh, somebody's been holding longs for a long time. They're in 2K profits. Bro, Laser over here in the chat said protect capital at all costs. If you listen to some of the best traders in the world, something you'll repetitively hear them say is capital preservation is one of the most important things you can do. What does that mean? It means stop losses. It means controlling your drawdown. Take off 50% if you're in clear drawdown. Like, you don't need to wait to let it hit your stop loss. If you're anticipating a move to happen in a certain direction and that's not happening, why hold the fucking drawdown? Like, your thesis didn't work out. Cut the losses. You're gonna sell or watch it sell. I have a strict set of rules, and right now I have no indication in order to execute a position. I have no indication to execute a position. Wow, we're nearly at 300 live viewers, TikTok. That's fucking wild. Drop a follow, or I'm gonna do something crazy. What time frame is it? This is 15 minute. This is 15 minute over here. On gold. Look, there's a gold, bro. You can't say on gold. I actually put a thing here for everyone that keeps asking. Look at this. Boom. I followed. Oh, thank you very much, man. Appreciate that a bunch. I'm losing my mind over here. Like, it's nearly 300 viewers, dude. This is bonkers. So, is this live? This is very family friendly. I might swear sometimes, but no, not in a vicious way. Like, honestly, I don't know if that counts actually. Gold liquidity for me. Oh, gold liquidated me. Do you have a live account? This is a 100k combine account on Topstep in the challenge phase. Bro, one person away from 300 views. Oh, now 3, now 2, now 8. Fuck. It's going up, someone said. What's your expectations on gold? Oh, 306, 313, bro. Dude, I'm losing my mind over here with you guys on TikTok. Fuck. My expectation over here on gold is to wait 5 minutes for this 30, 1 hour and 15 minute candle to close. If this comes back up into this range and closes like this, if this comes back up into the range and closes like this, the next one wicks down, flips and pushes up, I'll take a buy there. But right now, I have to be a professional. And what would a professional do? A professional would wait for a confirmation. Will you sell now? No. I have no confirmation for sells just yet. Hit the likes, guys. Yeah, hit the likes, man. I got 20k likes yesterday, and I had a portion of these followers. Someone called VIP Gold Signal said, for more free signals, visit this person's Telegram. All right, so we're pushing back up into this range now. See how patience pays? Remember before in the chat, somebody said, are you just going to watch sells? Or are you going to participate? I said, I wait, because right now I would have just hit my stop loss if I took sells. So I'm going to be a professional and wait over here. How do you start trading? If you go to my latest TikTok video after this, I actually tell you how to do that. And I'll tell you right now, go to a website called babypips.com and do their free course, is my suggestion. That's a retest candle. Yeah, I don't know what it is, but it's something. Let's see what it does. If it breaks back out into this, breaks back into the range, it could be some sort of fake out. Babypips.com, that's correct. Yep, and they have a course called just their free Forex course, right? Do you have a daily earning percentage? I don't have a daily earning percentage. I just look to take about 2 trades a day. 2 losses and I'm done. 2 wins and I'm done. Do you trade every night? Yep, I trade on this channel during the London stream every day, every night. It's afternoon for me, late afternoon. BTC dump, let's have a look. I wouldn't call it that. Baby Kips is good for beginners. Yeah. I don't really care about RR. Oh, somebody's saying Diddy in the chat a lot. This is a funded challenge. This is a 100k combine account. So I'm on their platform called Topstep X. Topstep X over here. But yeah, somebody's dropping Diddy in the chat. I wonder if that means profits are coming. The markets are all lubed up. Oh man, somebody asked if it was family friendly. If the hourly candle, someone said, what happens if the hourly candle closes below this range? If the hourly candle closes below this range, I'll show you what I'll be looking for then. If the hourly candle closes below this range, I'll have to wait. I'll show you. Let's just see how this pans out. We've got 2 minutes over here. What's your risk amount? 1%-ish. Depends. If I see a really clean setup, I'll maybe go a bit heavier. If I see a weaker setup, I'll go a bit lighter. Do you use any indicators? Nope, just price action. Price action. I have a naked chart and I just read candlesticks. What's your boxing record? 2-0, undefeated. What's your, I think you said, what's your body count? What's your red, what if this closes with a red body? If this closes with a red body, it's giving weaker confirmation, right? The candle bodies are getting smaller. If I were to anticipate a continuation down, you want to see heavier, bigger candle bodies, don't you? Right? So when I see candle bodies getting smaller, that indicates to me weakening. So that's why I will have to wait and see what happens over here. You sound like Capital Price from COD. Who the hell's that? So I mentioned before in the chat, to the chat, that I could be potentially looking for something like this, to come down and then bounce back up and take a buy back up into this range and beyond. So I'm gonna see how this candle forms and see if that opportunity arises as well. I'm gonna delete this wording here which says sells below for now, because it's gonna confuse people and it's not necessarily what I'm looking for just yet. Someone said I'm in buys right now, and someone else said Diddy again. If you're a verified gangster, you got scammed yesterday, bro. I'm pretty sure that was you. All right, now let's look at this for a sec. Let's look over this. Let me look at the 4 hour. Let me use my brain over here for a sec. We're at a rejection zone of some sort. Oh, look at that. Look how the next 30 minute pushed up. It closed, it opened up much higher than the closing point of the previous one, which indicates there's a bit of volume there pushing it up. Any advice on getting into trading crypto for beginners? I think trading crypto for beginners is a bad idea. I think you should look at trading the markets of some sort, because crypto is really just like a gamble, right? It's just anticipating, like, I think this is going to happen. My advice would be study economical factors. Get like an economics degree or something. Captain Price, the guy who says Bravo 6 going dark, you got to do it. What? Someone else said a reversal is clear for them. Someone else said there's a FVG. So a lot of people are getting some sort of reversal signal now over here. Bro, do you only trade gold? Yep. I found the most success in my trading when I decided to only show up for one session, London, and trade one pair gold. Oh, thank you for the roses in the chat there. Appreciate it, brother. If you recommended a funded challenge or personal capital, I almost would recommend. It's not a very popular opinion, but I actually think you should start with funded challenges, like really the cheapest one they have, and try and pass it, because they have clear rules that you have to stick to. So it's going to test you as a trader. Can I actually stick to these rules? Can I show that I am this guy? I am him, really. Look at the contradiction in the chat. Someone said, I'm in sells, I'm in buys. Are you looking for buy or sell? I'm waiting to see how this 15 closes. This 15 closure is going to dictate what I'm looking for. I'm much rather a buy. I'd much rather a buy. Because look to the left-hand side here. It's not the cleanest range. You've got to think, if I'm looking for a sell, I know it's going to have to get past this. Then it's going to have to get past this and this and this wick. Where to the left-hand side of buys, it's completely clean, right? It's much more preferred to be taking buys where there's clean range to the left-hand side. Look at the double bottom for a buy. But yeah, a double bottom, you've got to stack confluences, right? You can't just, I'm not saying, I'm sure you have other things, but I'm just making a reference that like, you got to look for multiple confluences that back up your thesis for whatever decision you're going to make. For me, I don't have enough confluences yet to back up any thesis for sells or buys. So I'm waiting for a bit more confirmation, and this 15 candle is going to give me a bit more information. Why do people use the 1 minute time frame? Because they're freaking schizophrenic. Nah, people just have different ways they like to trade. Someone in here said liquidity draw plus FVG plus imbalance was filled. Market is showing. Bro, that's too technical for me. That's too, as Raja would say, that's rocket science. Have you learned how to use a Fibonacci? Yeah, I know how to use a Fibonacci, but I don't use it. Please buy, but note that this is manipulation move. I don't believe in things like manipulation and stuff like that. I just believe the market moves, and we just do what we want. And I've said this kind of thing before, like realistically, everyone has a different thesis on what the market does and why it moves. And oh, someone's coded it. It's an algorithm. No, it's just price. No, it's manipulation. No, it's big banks pushing it in one direction. It's like, bro, fuck all that. Let's just see what it does and then fucking make a decision. You trade without any technique. I don't know how you got that impression. Have you studied Fluid Market Academy from... Oh, Roger Banks. Yeah, I did quite a while ago, to be honest. Probably when I first started. Like, when I first started, I started trading 2.5 years ago, and Roger was probably one of the first people I came onto. I went around the world, tried every other strategy in the planet, and came back to Raja's breakout strategy. And now I've got 4 other entry models that are pretty similar to like the way Raja would trade. He doesn't trade like that, but if you were to reference me to like who I would be closest to trading it similar to, Raja Banks, Nick Stewart, and Donvo. If you're really patient, I've noticed that something as easy as an FVG can give you entries. But again, you have to ask yourself, do I want to take an entry just on one confluence, or do I want multiple confluences? And it depends on what time frame you're looking at these things as well. But Donvo's gone. Yeah. It's fucking... Yeah, it's a rough one, isn't it? What's the biggest profit you made from a single trade? Not much. I don't even think like that. You know what's funny? I used to think, when I used to watch streams and stuff, I used to think, and I would probably sometimes ask that kind of stuff. And there's no offense to you, like it's for asking, but it kind of doesn't matter. Like, it's more like just, yeah, how fucking disciplined are you really? That's the biggest thing. That's the most important thing, right? Oh yeah, I'm gonna move my So check this out, guys. Before, my support level was here because look at this. We had these 2 candles print side by side, which became my support zone. What's happened since then? We've had a green and red candle print side by side down here now. So now this is my support zone. So I dragged that down and that's my support zone now. So I'll draw out something what I'll be looking for here for potential buyers. If this candle over here that's open right now closes something like this, next one wicks down a little bit, I'll take a buy right there, anticipating a continuation back up to fill the range and potentially break out beyond that. Is this gold? Yes. I'll move this so you can see. See, gold. I'm 2 steps ahead. Bro, 330 consistent viewers and 11k likes. I'm gonna shit my pants. Wow, smashing, bro. I know, smashing the view states. Insanity, bro. In actual sanity. Insanity. Hello, did you enter? No, not yet. Just waiting for this 15 close. We've got 6 minutes over here before this 15 closes. Let's see what type of entries. Let me just flick through some of these time frames real quick and just make sure I'm not missing out on any important clues. The 1 hour came down, but it closed in the range. The 30 just had 2 candles that filled the range. The 15 had a couple candles and a doji bullish candle. Yeah, I'll wait. I'm not super hot on this trade, but if what prints what I said before, I'll take an entry. Not gonna lie, I think this is the chillest trading live I've been on in TikTok. Oh, really? I hope that's a good thing. I'm sorry there's no music as well. I'll figure it out. Like, I just want a bit of chill in the background music. There is on YouTube because I'm on YouTube right now as well. But, yeah. Trading gold is stressful. Trading in general is stressful. But it's part of the game is to manage your stress as well, right? Manage your stress. There's this trading psychologist, 330 views. Keep it up, man. Thanks, brother. Yeah, it's fucking amazing. It's amazing to see you guys. Thank you so much. Drop a follow if you can as well. I'll live stream every day, and I keep saying it, but I'm gonna be dropping. I'm gonna be giving away some prop firm accounts in the Discord in my bio. So join the Discord, man. I'll just pick some people out of there. I love trading, bro. Thank you for saying that. You guys in the chat and everyone here, you gotta fucking love trading, hey? Like, you really have to love it. Even though it's such a bitch sometimes, it's painful and this and that, bro, you have to love this game. I'm so passionate about this game, and I have been consistently at a consistent level of passion for 2.5 years. Like, we are so blessed to be able to be people that have stumbled across this game of trading, and now we get to pursue our dreams. Like, it sounds corny, but it's actually incredible, man. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. Someone said it rejected. See what I mean here? So I broke out, rejected, see you later. Anyway, I'm sick of looking at Bitcoin. Let's get out of here. Someone over here said, I'm never giving up on trading. Bro, 100%. Are you in Sydney? No, I'm in Brisbane. I'm never giving up either, bro. Like, the thing is, we're all here for the same purpose. Like, we all have the same vision in our head of what trading can bring. And you gotta, sometimes you ask yourself, like, what's something that's going to increase the probability of me reaching success in this game? And then you got to think, well, what is the reason that 90% of people fail? Well, 90% of people fail because they can't stick to their own rules. They get impatient and they do a lot of degenerate gambling. If I can write out a set of rules and make it my life goal when I sit down at the charts every day, not to take a win, but to just simply exercise my rules, exercise my game plan, that's going to increase my probability of success in the long run, right? Someone over here said, I just blew my account yesterday, just scalped on the micro to make it back. Ooh. 90% mental, yep. And anytime anyone says in the chat, I just blew my account or I did this and that, I'll just keep saying the same thing. Check this out, you guys. This is my journal. Win, lose, draw. I journal everything. What does journaling do? Especially when you lose, you have to face the loss. Yeah, it's going to hurt. It's going to hurt to look and assess it and do it, but it's going to increase your probability of success in the long run. Journal your shit, boys. What's your profit aim? I don't know. Just to 6% on this account, but all right, so let's see what happens. We've got 2 minutes over here before this candle closes. Like I said before, I need it to close like this. I need a strong kind of engulfing candle of some regard to engulf that previous wick. Kindly share your confluences. I have a folder of screenshots for my wins and losses. That's good. I would suggest you also, like, you guys can't see it here, but I have everything broken down. I have the time frame. I write notes on it, win, loss, how much, everything. Every single thing needs to be faced. And you know what else it does? If I take a dumb trade and I know I have to journal, I'm kind of like, oh man, if I do this, I'm also gonna have to journal it. It takes like 5-10 minutes. Like, it's, you know what I mean? Like, you were just watching, not trading. No, I'm doing probably the opposite of what you're doing, which is waiting for a signal for the right opportunity to take a position. Right now, if I did what you said, in the last half an hour, what has price done? This. Why would I want to participate in that? Instead, I'm going to wait for a clear signal of a direction to the upside or the downside. Right now, it's not showing anything. So yes, that is correct. I'm waiting. Why do 90% of traders lose? Because they're impatient and they take a trade. Hey bro, I could sit here all day like I did yesterday and not take a trade. Right? Because who said you have to trade every day? I'll trade when the clear indication arises. You got to, again, I keep going back to this reference. You've got to put your mindset in the mindset of a professional trader that's been doing this for 15 years plus and makes millions. Do you think they're just looking at the charts and going, oh, I'm just looking, I should take a trade? Or do you think they're going, I'm going to wait for a quality setup and then I'm going to execute? I don't know what that means. Oh, 400 views on TikTok, bro. I got a window behind me. I'm 19 stories up. I may jump out just out of shock. So look at this, guys. 2 candles have printed next to each other. Small body bear bullish. 2 candles have printed small body bullish. What does that tell us? it tells us that absolutely nothing is happening just yet, and hold your horses, right? Or should I do what someone in the chat said? Oh, somebody just donated me a ice cream of some sort. I don't know. I think you're right. Or should we do what someone in the chat said and just take a position because I don't know why. I guess that's what people do, right? I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait for a clear setup over here. Don't listen to the chat. Yeah, you got to be smart over here. If you guys want to look for a gambling channel, just go over to some gambling stream. I'm sure there's plenty of those, bro. Do you have a signal channel? No, but just rock up to the stream. I don't believe in signals because I'm going to manage my trade like live. You'll see me like, okay, I'm about to take off 50% here. I'm going to do this type of shit. You know what I mean? So like, take a position because you've been staring at this. Bro, I'm going to block this dude. All right, this is my first block on TikTok. Boom. How invigorating. That's so funny. Raymond, yeah, let's block that kid. Oh, let's just waste our money just because, right? How long do you have to be in this field to succeed? I don't know about the idea of success, but I think you would see good consistency. I think you would see volumes picking up. Yeah, I think you would see good bro, I'm nearly at 500 live viewers. This is bananas. Drop a follow, you guys. I'll be live streaming every day. Fuck, what was I just saying? I don't know about success, but I know you could probably, if you do all the right shit and you work on yourself as an individual, I think in 2 years you could see like a good amount of consistency, and if you get your shit together, you could start to make solid profits. Love you, dude. You're doing great. I appreciate that, man. I appreciate that a fucking lot, dude. I like your patience. Yeah, man. Like, guys, we got to think of, always go back to the mindset of a professional, high-level trader that's been in this industry for a long time. What would they do? They would wait for a clean setup. What's your time frame? I'm on the 15-minute right now. Let's jump over the 30, see what it's doing. It's not doing nothing. Let's wait on the 15. It's not doing nothing, but something could happen. Can you explain how this works? Oh, I don't think I can, bro. It's too much to say. Started trading after 6 months. I bought a house at 20 years. No, you didn't, bro. No, you didn't, bro. I'm sorry. I'm sorry to be so blunt, but that didn't happen. Please, can you explain your strategy? I will explain my strategy in a minute when this potential setup arises. I did. Bro. The only reason I shut that down so quick, I don't want to give like new traders some false idea. Like, you can't trade for 6 months and buy a fucking house, bro. It's not how it works. Started trading 2 years ago, down $250,000. Yeah, that's more realistic. Because you know what? Here's the thing, guys. It's by the laws of the universe. You cannot become successful in trading in 6 months. Because you know why? Trading is a reflection of you. That's a big part of it, right? And you have to feel the pain and go through the losses in order to grow. Like, it's one of these sports where you actually have to lose in order to succeed. Oh, he said I got lucky, bro. I don't care if you believe me. Oh, okay. So it was some sort of luck over there. What color's your Bugatti? Okay, at least you understand that you got lucky. Like, that's a good way to put it. Say, you know what? I dabbled in this. I put a lot of money in and I got lucky. Last week I lost 25K. That's a lie. Someone said, not you. Like, if someone says, oh, I've been trading for 6 months and I lost my house in 6 months, not that I brought a house, I'd be like, yeah, I believe that. Right? Yeah, this is more realistic. Somebody said, Mazwi said, I've been trading for 5 years and it's still up and down, profits and losses, right? Let's be realistic. That's the type of shit. Like, I'm sure his profits outweigh his losses, but yeah, you don't buy a house in 6 months. Tell me, bro, could I buy? I need to wait for this 15 to close. We've got 9 minutes over here. Oh, somebody put 80k down on NFP and lost it. Oh, are you talking about Q Banks? Because if that was Q Banks, that trade, he actually ended up going back up and he made 500,000. Yep, here we go. Boo Lucky said, I've been trading for 4 years and I only recently turned profitable. This shit is not easy. That's the realistic shit over here, guys. I know it's not glamorous and people don't want to hear that. But again, you have to lose in order to win. It's just a part of the game. Someone said little house, maybe. Yeah, that seems more realistic. Bro, see how someone put a fucking emoji on my head? You think gold's going up and down? I need to wait for... Go to the 500 viewers. Yeah, come on, guys. Guys, again, I keep spamming it. Drop a follow. I'll be live streaming every day during the London session. I can't believe TikTok. I keep saying it. Like, yeah, it's wild, man. And this is something else I keep saying. Before I started streaming, I've been streaming on YouTube, so I'm on YouTube as well right now. I never spoke to any traders at all, like at all. And just to be in a chat with like you guys now is incredible. It's a really good feeling to be around people because I'm so passionate about this game. And I'm sure you guys are as well, so it's really cool. And also, I'll be giving away free prop firm accounts in my Discord. Join my Discord. There's a link in my bio. Unless you don't want a free account. Then in that case, don't do anything. What lot size are you going to be using? I don't know. This is futures, so I'll be using probably 20 mini contracts on a 100k account. Someone said they're in buys in the moment. Okay, nice. I'm looking for buys as well. I just need a bit more confirmation, so I need this 15 over here to close. Ooh, I need a prop firm. Yeah, join my Discord. Join my Discord, man. It's with a company called Funded Next. This is their account. They gave me an account as well. I took a massive gold buyer with them today. 50 pips over here. Like, can you see that? I'll show you. Look, I entered here and took profits here. And I added to my position here. One of them hit stop. The other one, I took profits as well. Big trade over there. 50 pips in total. All right. I need a prop firm also, bossy. Yeah, join the Discord, yo. And drop a follow, or I will find you and I will hug you. I lost all my money. Just in my Discord, you just click click my bio on TikTok, and then the Discord, just click join Discord. Any confirmation yet? There's no confirmation until this candle closes. Yeah, we were looking at Bitcoin before. Oh, big strong candle broke back up on Bitcoin. What's your strategy? Can you talk us through? Okay, I'll tell you about this particular strategy, and I'll tell you why. You know, I might be looking for a setup here, but there's a few things that this still isn't showing me, but there's a couple that I do. So if I know that, hang on, let me zoom out a little bit. If I know that this is a strong support level, which it's tapped into, and now it's kind of rejecting, and I think, well, it didn't seem to break through there, and my thesis might be, well, maybe I'll try and catch it on the way back up, right? I need confirmation on that first. My confirmation would be, ideally, I wanted this candle here to be smaller but leave a bigger wick. I wanted that candle to be smaller than the one prior. That's my only reservation here so far. I wanted a wick down to show that it doesn't want to be down there and flip bullish, which it has. This one, ideally, I wanted it to close with a bigger body, but it didn't. It closed tiny doji body as well, right? So I'm kind of anticipating, well, it looks like this one here is closing bigger body. If the next one can wick down and show me one more time and doesn't want to be down there and flip up, I'll take a buy at the break of the previous wick. So I'll be honest, you guys, it's not the cleanest move, but there's a couple of other confluences, and the biggest one is the fact that it's just such bullish momentum here on gold, period, on the higher time frames. So on the lower time frames, my thesis for the entry model, there's a few things that aren't ticked. The only thing that's given me a bit more hope on it is the fact that the higher time frame is looking pretty juicy. Just scalped $1 to $5. Wow, that's fucking pretty good, man. No risk, no Rari. That's true. That's true. Facts. Price action is king. 100%, bro. No indicators over here, you guys. No indicators over here. I know that some people like shit looking like this, bro. Like, what is that? You know what I mean? I'll pass. I'll pass. I found the most success when I focus purely on price. Purely on price. So that's what I'm going to stick to. Can you actually trade with $1? Yeah, I don't know. Fundamental trader or technical analysis? Technical analysis with a little bit of fundamental knowledge, but I definitely don't base trades on fundamentals. What's a trusted prop firm company? Funded Next. I'm giving away a free account in my bio, in my Discord. There's a link in my bio. Bro, 400 new followers from this stream. Drop a follow, you guys, if you want to catch up on the stream every day. I'll be streaming the London session over here. Yeah, I'm looking for some sort of bounce off this resistance zone potentially. So I'm waiting for this 15. It's got 2.5 minutes over here. If I see something I want to see, then I'll be in. Why gold, not USD? Because I trade gold. I used to dabble in USD, but nah. Yeah, gold momentum's been wild. When do you think it'll stop? I don't know when it'll stop, but I do know with the US elections in 7 days, it's going to be very interesting, right, guys? With these US elections. If you scroll back to this same time, we've got 2 minutes over here. Let's have a look at this. Gold, daily, October. When was the last? Is it every 6 years for the US election? Or every 4? When did Trump come in? Every 4. So if we go to November 2020. Look right here. Look right here, you guys. This is the daily candle. What's this range in pips? Insane. Insane movement there. I don't know how many pips that is, but it's a fucking lot. So, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see, right? We'll see what gold wants to do over there. Someone said it won't be bullish for much longer. Would you trade on a Friday? When are you when the big next? Oh yeah, so NFP's tomorrow, right? Let's jump over here real quick. So we've got ADP tonight and then NFP tomorrow. I will trade the London session because that won't happen until the New York session. So yeah, I'll be trading. Where do you share your trades? Right here and in my Discord. There's a link in my bio to the Discord where I'll also be giving away prop accounts for free, bro. All right, so 10 seconds over here. I'm kind of seeing what I wanted to see. If I get a wick now, if I get some sort of wick down to some degree and a flip, I'll put a buy stop over here. But I need some sort of wick over here. And, you know, if it goes up and you're like, oh, man, I missed it. It didn't leave a wick. That's okay as well. But it could go up leave some sort of wick, flip down, and then flip back up, that's an even stronger confirmation. So let me see what can happen over here. How long have you been trading for? 2.5 years, bro. 2.5 bangers. Can't access your Discord. You can, bro. Surely. Yeah, I can see people are requesting here. You can. I think it's just like some sort of request. I don't know. I hope so. I hope so. What time frame? 15 minutes. Jassy, 4 years. Yeah, 4 years. Need to open the Discord link in a web browser. Oh, there you go. Someone said that over there. All right, I like what I'm seeing here. Like, I like what I was seeing in the sense that if it does flip down and then back up, that's fucking even better for me, right? If it flips like this, gives me a wick and then flips back up, bro, I might even up my lot size a little bit. Sorry guys, I'm back in 1 sec. I'm about to pee my pants. Oh, beautiful. Guys, if you're ever watching this on TikTok and you're kind of like overwatching it on your phone on TikTok, I'm live streaming as well on YouTube. You can watch this on YouTube. It's actually a better setup. You can see the whole screen and shit. Just write Daniel Holmes Trades in YouTube. All right, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put a buy stop right here, anticipating a flip. Wait a place. I'll tell you in 1 sec. Anticipating a flip of some sort. And if this flips, that's really nice. If it doesn't, then we'll just wait and see what else can arise. If it here's another option, right? If it doesn't flip, and this 15-minute candle closes below this range, something like that, next one wicks up, I'll also take a sell here. But I need a closure below this range, a candle closure. And I'm going to move my thing even lower now, because if it's left a wick that big and it rejects all the way back up, the probability of it continuing up is much higher now. So instead of me having my buy stop up there, I'm going to bring it down here, because like I said, if it flips from there, the probability is increased a lot. 25k likes, bro. Wild stuff. Nearly 500 followers. Drop a follow, TikTok. And like I said, if you're overwatching it on TikTok, I'm live right now on YouTube as well, where you can see like kind of the whole screen type shit. Where was the buy stop? The buy stop's in right now. The only issue with this is the stop loss is a bit steep. 25 pips. That's all right. Are you profitable? Depends. I'm in a prop firm challenge right now. So this is a 100K challenge account. This is a 100K challenge account. I'm profitable, but I'm like you guys. I still make mistakes, right? Or I won't say you guys. I'll just say some people, right? Because we're all kind of whatever. We're all traders. We make mistakes. I still make mistakes, and they hurt me sometimes. Oh, it came from TikTok. Thank you, brother. Thank you. So I was up 1% clean last week. Took a shitty trade, and it set me back, right? So my thesis is in my mind that if I keep showing up here to these streams and stick to my strict set of rules, that's going to lower the probability of me doing dumb shit and setting myself back again. How long are you trading a day? About 3 hours. I sit here at the London session, unless an entry rocks up quite quick. Don't worry, bro. If you make mistakes, don't outweigh your wins. It's part of the game. Yeah, exactly, bro. And the biggest thing is learning from the mistakes. You have to learn from it, right? And how do you learn? You journal, you observe, and you face the pain. And the pain is the mistakes. Only 3 hours? Yeah, 3 hours is long for me. I would much rather jump in, see a clean setup, take a trade, and catch you later. Why would you want to sit in front of the charts for fucking hours, right? It starts to fry your brain a little bit. And you can start to kind of become a bit deluded. You can get a bit antsy. Oh, I've been looking at the charts for ages. I want to make something happen. Lost lots of challenges and finally mastered it. Oh, nice shit, brother. Fuck yeah. What time frame is that? 15. I can see a lot of you TikTok guys over on YouTube now. See how the layout's kind of different? You can see the whole screen and stuff. Good shit, man. I'll be dropping like longer format content on TikTok, on YouTube as well. Someone said I've been holding since yesterday. Is that good? Fucking oath. You're up a ton of money then. Which prop firm do you recommend? The one that I'm giving away in my Discord. There's a link in my TikTok bio. Join my Discord. I'm giving away. They're called Funded Next. They're a prop firm. Someone said flop. How much do you profit right now? Well, I caught a $450 trade today in Asia. Someone already took buys over here. Yeah, I don't like this. This just broke the wicks of the other candles. I know all the freaking degen traders are like, man, just take a fucking trade, but things just keep happening, which cancel out the order, cancel out the trade thesis. So I'm gonna have to wait for this 15 to close and see what happens over here. I don't want to feel the pressure of like TikTok and people like that. Like, you're just seeing the viewers drop because I cancelled the order. I don't want to feel the pressure of TikTok for me to be influenced to take a stupid trade. I don't want to be part of the 90% of losing traders. I want to be in the 10% of winning traders, and I know what the 10% do. They stick to their rules. C Server said, no pressure, do it right. Yeah, 100%, man. 100%. And if I start building if I show up here every day and you guys see me trade on a daily basis, I want you to know me as the person that sticks to their rules, and that you can at some point hopefully think, man, that's a good way to go. I want to kind of look to be like Daniel, because I know he would stick to his rules right now, and he wouldn't want to be an impulsive FOMO trader. What do you use to journal? I use a platform over here called Notion. So for the people on YouTube, they'll be able to see the whole screen, but TikTok you can't. But yeah, I've got everything laid out on here on Notion. All right, let me look. I'm just going to do a bit of a switch through some of these time frames. What are your rules? I'll tell you my rules over here in a second. 4 hours looking like this. 1 hour's kind of... So check this out, you guys. The 1 hour... There's all these people that are telling me they're buying, they're selling, they're doing this and that. For the last 40 minutes, we've been stuck in this little spot right here. right? And you can see why I've wanted to wait patient. I don't want to be stuck in that. I want to be in trades that move clean and like we're actually going somewhere. I haven't got any confirmation of that just yet, so that's why I've been waiting. So the 1 hour is looking like this. 30 minutes looking like this. I will be looking for sells if we break below that level. So let's just wait for that. Discipline is key and patience. 100%, bro. 100%. Oh, 500 followers on TikTok now from this stream. And 28k likes. Fucking hell. Bro. You use TradingView for everything? This is, it's like TradingView. It's called Topstep X. Got here from TikTok on YouTube. Oh, nice. What platform are you using? It's called Topstep X. What up, Kevy? 4 hour full bearish. Oh, do you know what? Okay, here's something over here on that 4 hour candle. Let's look at the 4 hour candle on Forex because it's going to be different. And I'm going to be honest with you guys. I'm going to trust the Forex candle more. I'm going to trust the Forex 4 hour candle more. And look what it's... So check this out, you guys. This is very, very, very important. This is the most important thing I've ever said on the stream. 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got 5 4 hour candles in a row. Who can tell me what they can see is happening with these 4 hour candles? The bodies are getting smaller. The bodies are getting progressively smaller. That last body even had a big wick at the top. Yep, look at Raymond in the chat. Weak. Losing volume, said Trucker Scott. Getting weak. Losing volume and it's getting weak over here. This is, I'm glad I switched over to Forex to have a look at this because this has done something to my mind a little bit over here now. So let's wait for this 2 minutes here for this candle to close and see if we get some sort of clearer confirmation for sells now. Because that was very interesting, the thing that we just noticed there. 30k likes on TikTok. Bro, I'm gonna shit my pants. My last wick is bearish. Yeah, this wick's very bearish over here. Yeah, I feel bad for you guys on TikTok without the music there. I'm sorry, it's just... I've got to figure it out still. Yeah, this is XAU USD. Oh, sorry. No, it's not. This is... Well, it is the same shit. I'm trading futures. That's Forex. But yeah, it's gold. Thank you for the follows, guys, as well on TikTok. That's wild. Someone says, seems like a very small pullback on the 1 hour. Oh, this looks very juicy on the 1 hour as well, sort of. Let's just wait. We've got 1.5 minutes for this candle to close. The next support level of some regard is 20 pips away. You've got to understand that when it gets to here, it's going to have a reaction of some sort. And down here, so I'll be happy just to get a trade from here to here. That's 20 pips, you guys. Don't get greedy. 20 pips is amazing. If you're betting 20 lots, 20 contracts, that's a fucking good trade. But the 4 hour candle is different from ours. Yeah, the 4 hour candle on futures and Forex are different, but they both are looking pretty bearish, to be honest. What's your leverage? I don't even know. Someone said I'm in. All right, we've got 15 seconds over here. I wanted to reject up a little bit because so I can have a tighter stop loss. What's this range behind this? Oh, it's not too bad. It's only like 15 pips. Okay. But look at this. So it closed with very small. Let's see how the 15 closed on Forex. It closed with nearly no bottom wick over there. All right, I'm going to put a buy stop over sell stop over here, and anticipating some sort of flip. But if it quickly flips right now, I'm gonna have to wait. I need to wait at least a minute before this candle opens up. Through the back testing I've done and the data I've collected, if a candle moves in one direction within the first minute, there's a very high probability that it's going to bounce back and flip to test the other way. Since yesterday, so we got a good wick up now. That's what I wanted to see. It rejected off, and now I'm going to put a sell stop in here. Win, lose, or draw, I stuck to my rules, and I think this would be a good opportunity over here for a sell. I wouldn't suggest anyone else do anything. I'm just saying for myself, this fits my set of rules, and that's what's up. There's a few small discrepancies. I like the 1 hour. I really like how the 1 hour is looking, to be honest, for sells. So let's see if we can flip and get some sort of push down here. Break and retest. Yeah, it's essentially a break and retest, right? Griff MG said noobs. Griff is crushing the game. What's your risk? I think I'm going to be risking about $350 to $400. And I think it's a good range for my stop. My stop will be about 17 pips away, or ticks. And even if that's the case, I'll be taking off. So a trade like this, I'm anticipating a decent amount of volume to continue pushing it down if it does go past my area. No, not 20 lots, 20 contracts. So if it does push down and then just start to reject back up, I can start to look at taking off some of my position, right? I can start to kind of decrease the amount in which I'm potentially going to lose. Because there's a very high probability of me losing the trade. That's called trading. If I go into this with the mindset of, I really hope this wins, and it doesn't, because most trades probably won't win. Like, let's be honest, that's just trading. How am I going to manage that? How am I going to lose less? Because if I have a 50% win rate, but I can manage my losses, so my wins are on average $500 and my losses are only $300, that's a very profitable fucking game. Oh, thank you for the roses, Cal. Wild stuff. Wild. Cutie Pie dropped a rose and stuff. Damn. I still don't know what they mean fully, but that's gangster. Can I use the rose money for trading? Yeah, there's a few small things that aren't ideal, but I really like the 1 hour, to be honest. I like this 1 hour. I don't like that there's a 1 hour rejection zone here. So I'll be looking to take profits around here. Look at your likes, man. 33,000, bro. Oh, man, that's so fucking crazy. Drop a follow, you guys, if you're not. Live streaming every night or every London session here on TikTok as well. And I've said it before, I'm on YouTube right now. You can see the full screen if you don't want to look on TikTok. On YouTube, if you're at Daniel Holmes Trades into YouTube, I'm live right now. And it's like a full screen. It's not like a little TikTok thing. What's your entry for the sell stop? I don't know, just below these wicks somewhere. Silver going down almost 1%. Have you entered any trades? No, I've got a sell stop here. It might be triggered in a minute. Are you selling? I'm selling if this pushes down another 3 pips, ticks or whatever. It didn't manage to break the resistance at 2780. Support was here at 2794 and it broke below that support. See? Broke below support. Wicked up. Now they're anticipating a continuation down. There's a few things that aren't ideal, but I think with volume we should be somewhat okay. So I'm just going to wait for this potential flip. Why is my gold showing 2780 now and yours is... I don't know. Maybe... Oh, you might be a bit delayed maybe. I don't know, like a little bit of delay. Double bottom on the lower time frames. I don't look at the lower time frames. It's a trap. You're seeing that because you're looking at the 15-minute time frame. Get on the 5 and you'll see the real support. So you're telling me that a 5-minute candle is a stronger confirmation candle than a 15-minute, 30-minute candle. Right? There's 30-minute support as well. The 5-minute is a weak confirmation candle. A 15-minute is even a weak confirmation candle. You really want a 30-minute onwards confirmation. All right, so that one just got triggered in there. Let's look at dragging my TP around here somewhere. The 30-minute candle is still open. So I'm expecting, or I'm anticipating, a part of me is open to the idea of this kind of fucking around for another 6 minutes and closing back above my entry point. The next one to wick up a little bit and then continue down. So I've mentally kind of accepted that I might be in a bit of drawdown for a while, and that's about it. So let's just hang out here and see what happens, right? Bit of a 1-to-1 over here. Stop loss is about 315. Take profit is about 330. When you buy, bro? I don't buy, bro. I'm in a sell right now. Someone said I'm in with you. Oh, nice. I'm not responsible for your losses. Someone else said I'm also in this. Nice. Nice. So, well, if you're in it, expect a bit of drawdown because the 30-minute is still open. The 30-minute is still open over here. Good live stream. Oh, thank you, brother. Thank you. I'll be here every London session. Drop a follow if you're not already, so you don't miss it. And I keep saying it, but I'm also on YouTube right now. So if you want to see like the full screen and shit, you don't want to be on TikTok, just write Daniel Holmes Trades into YouTube. Oh, someone over here, Laser, said that the 4-hour has also flipped bearish. Nice. That's a good sign. Yeah, I can see that. Wow, interesting. Okay, that's another good confluence over there for us. Look at these 4-hour candles, you guys. Oh, someone put a skull and said in longs. Yeah, you might be right, bro. We could be definitely wrong. I'm only looking for a little scalp here. And I keep saying in the chat, I'm open to the idea of being in drawdown for a little bit over here as well. I'll look to manage my position if this If the 15-minute candle wick gets broken, I'll take off like 50%. Bro, tell me your entry point. It's too late now. It's too late to apologize. DXY dropping, so everything says up, but I agree with you in sells at the moment. Yeah, I'm just kind of going off what we're seeing over here. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. There was enough things kind of in our favor, or in my favor. That's really it, right? That's all you can do. My TP is 2790, I think. Somewhere around there. It's not a massive. I didn't go too heavy on this one because there was just a few things that weren't kind of in my like as ideal. You know, if you see AAA plus setup trades, I would be worried about the stop loss. Why would I be? There's no need to be worried. If you know what would make me worried if I went into this trade and thought, I better win this trade, man. I hope I win this trade. I really want to win this trade. I just go, you know what? This ticks the boxes for my system. I'm going to execute on my system. If it doesn't work, cool. Probabilities, I'll come back, reassess. Is there anything I could have done better? And let's try again. That's all. That is all. So I've got 2 minutes over here before this 30-minute candle closes. Like I said, I'm anticipating a bit of drawdown. If you've been following since I entered this, I said I'm mentally anticipating a bit of drawdown. If it does close like this, even if this closes green, I'm still pretty happy with that. It means a little bit of support has been created down here now, which helps give enough volume, which can help give that support for it to continue down. If it breaks that 15 wick, goes above there, I'll look to take off 50%, and then I'll look to close my position maybe a bit after that. What is your strategy? This is a simple breakout strategy. I get your point, but one has to refine its own system analysis, or you're just throwing dice. 100%, man. I don't know what broker I use. I don't know. I'm on a Topstep X account. By the way, why are you scalping against the trend? Well, what I'm looking at right now is we're moving down. So I'm going to just execute on that. People don't really... Someone said people don't know how to trade in this chat. All right. I'm going to be looking at this over here. If this breaks this wick, I'll be looking at taking off 50%. 40 seconds over here before this candle closes. And that's also the 30-minute closure. 30-minute close below this support level. Well, it's still got 25 seconds. A lot can happen in 25 seconds. A lot of unprofitable traders here. Yeah, you don't... Look, the goal is just to execute your plan. Win, lose, or draw. That's really mine. Oh, look at this over here. It's kind of flipping a little bit over here now. All right, I'm taking off 50% there. And I'll look to close this in a sec. Whoa. Let's see if this 30-minute candle broke below. Yeah, it sort of did. Let me look what it looks like on Forex. Yeah. It technically broke below. It's not the cleanest. If this candle right here flips at all, I'll just close the trade. I'll just close the trade if it flips. Because like I said from the start, if that candle that we entered on broke its own top wick, I'll take off 50%. I stuck to my rules. It broke its own top wick. I took off 50%. So now I get to lose less money than I anticipated, right? Now my new rule is to lose even less money is if this candle breaks its own top wick, I'll look to close a position. Yeah, I'm in a sell. Oh, look at this over here. Hey mate, what platform is this? This is called Topstep X. Topstep X. It's on a 100k challenge combine account with Topstep. All right, I'm out. I'm out. So instead of losing what I anticipated to lose, which was like $315 or whatever, I only lost $240. Those small wins pay dividends, I truly believe. So let's hang out for a little bit, see if another potential opportunity arises, and go from there. This has become a pretty heavy wicky looking zone, right? I'm still in profit for the day. Luckily, I'm still up $200 for the day, but I found you on YouTube. Oh, awesome. Thank you. Yeah, I can see the YouTube viewers are crazy heaps more. That's awesome. Guys, if you write Daniel Holmes trades into YouTube, you can see it on the big screen, like the actual. But yeah, I'm not too bad at the only, if I were to use hindsight, one, this broke pretty low. Check this out. This one broke a decent amount lower. It closed a fair bit of amount below the support and left little to no top bottom wick. I don't really like that. You want like a bit more of a wick, right? That's the main thing. Everything else looked pretty fucking good. Is Topstep a monthly payment? Yeah, it is. It is a monthly payment. Why are you taking more than one trade by once? I take 2 trades a day, so I'm still up $200 for the day. So I'll lower my. I'll probably keep it pretty similar because I went low risk on that one because it wasn't beautiful, like a beautiful setup. Why did you close? Because my parameters got broken. And if I didn't close, I would have taken full loss. Look at that. And I was saying before, we know when we're going to lose. I know when my trade doesn't work. So instead of losing $350, I actually lost $230. Capital preservation. So you pay a monthly activation fee, and then month after that, yeah, I think it's like a monthly fee. Sea Surfer said, how do you survive on $200 to $400 a day? Oh, sorry, money bags. Yeah, so this is looking like it's turned into some sort of rejection zone now. Yeah, I'll be honest, you guys. I might call it a day in a minute over here because I'm still up $200 for the day. If my next potential entry would be above this zone now, back up to all-time highs, we've got this level of resistance here. It has to break past there. If I get some sort of break past there, maybe. But even then, it's not looking too ideal. Again, it's a good day, even if a loss, because I got to exercise my discipline, right? I got to exercise my discipline today and essentially lose less. How many people just take a trade and they get angry and they want to get that money back and keep losing? I've done that plenty of times. But I'm not doing that today, that's for sure. So I'll probably wait around a little bit longer off stream, guys, and wait for a breakout of these all-time highs. And that's really probably where I'm looking at. There's a lot of small little support levels for it to get past if it wants to come down. So we'll need a lot of volume. Might be waiting for news tonight. Again, this is NFP week. So thank you for all the love on this. Like 600 follows from this stream alone. You guys are insane, man. But yeah, love yous all, and I'll be back tomorrow for the London session again. Peace out, gang. Peace out.